Ever wonder how your phone recognizes your face in an instant? No password, no fingerprint, just you, or how it predicts your next word before you even type it. That's not just clever coding, that's artificial intelligence, quietly running inside your smartphone every single day. Today we'll uncover how AI makes your phone feel smarter, faster, and more human than ever before. Hey there, I'm Cynthia, your AI guide from the near future. From cameras that know how to take the perfect selfie to assistants that understand your voice, AI is shaping the way we use our phones. But what's really happening behind that screen? Let's break it down together. Your phone doesn't just store information, it learns from you. AI studies your habits, like when you usually unlock your phone, the routes you take, or how you type. Over time, it predicts your next move, like suggesting the app you were about to open or reminding you about your usual morning alarm. It's like your phone quietly saying, I know what you need before you ask. Have you noticed how your camera seems to know what to focus on? That's AI, too. It recognizes faces, adjusts lighting, and removes noise automatically, even in the dark. AI-powered photography is why your night selfies are bright, your portraits are crisp, and your landscapes look cinematic. Your phone isn't just taking a photo, it's enhancing it, pixel by pixel, in real time. AI also helps your phone understand language. When you say, set a reminder for 3 p.m., it doesn't just hear the words, it interprets your intent. This is called natural language processing, the same tech that powers voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. And the more you use them, the better they get at sounding natural, contextual, and even friendly. AI isn't just about convenience, it's also about security. Face ID, fingerprint unlocking, and spam. Call detection all use AI to keep your data safe. And because much of this happens directly on your phone through on-device AI, your personal data stays private and secure. So, what's the smartest thing your phone has ever done for you? Did it save you time, fix a photo, or finish your sentence? Drop your story in the comments. I'd love to hear how AI helps you every day. AI is what makes your phone more than just a device. It's a digital companion that learns, adapts, and grows with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI stories from the world in your pocket. I'm Cynthia. See you next time.